Now we are here at this row, and we are going to have 10 white stitches, and then we have 2 blue stitches, okay? Nine, 10, and the last one, of course, we are going to change color, and we close with a blue color. Now we have 2 blue stitches. 1, 2, and of course we close with a white color. Okay, so we are here, we did this, so now we have 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. 2 white stitches, 1, 2, we close with a white color, okay, so now we did this one, and we have 3 white stitches, 3 blue stitches. Okay, let's do 3 white stitches, 1. Okay, now we have 3 white stitches, 2 blue stitches, 1. Okay, now we have 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. Let's go. 1, 2, change color. So now we have 1 white stitch, 2 blue stitches. 1 white stitch, we close with a blue, and 2 blue stitches. 1, 2, we close with a white color. Okay, we finished. Now we have 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. 2 white stitches, we close with a white color. Okay, so now we did this one. What we have left here is the 10 white stitches until the end of this pattern, okay? And then once we finish this with white, then we are going to go around at the back with the white, and then I will meet you at the next row here, okay? Okay, so now I have already finished, and now we are here at this place here. So now we have 11 white stitches from the sign. We have 11 white stitches, and then we have 2 blue stitches, okay? So let's take out the sign and let's start to do 11 white stitches, okay? So 1, and let me put back the sign here. Another 10 more to go. 11, and of course we close with a blue color, and now we have 2 blue stitches to do. So 1, 2, and we close with a white color, of course. Okay, so now we are here, and now we do 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. 1, 2, we close with a white color. So now we finished here, and then we have 3 white stitches, 1 blue stitch, 3 white stitches, okay? So let's do 3 white stitches. 1, 2, 3, we close with a blue color, blue, and of course the 1 stitch with a blue color we close with white color, and now we have another 3 white stitches, So we have 1 and 2 and 3, and we close with a blue color. Okay, so now we are here. We have 2 blue stitches, 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches, a blue, always with the next color. So now we did here, and now we have 2 blue stitches, 3 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. So we have here 1 and 2, we close with a white color, and 3 white stitches, 1, 2, 3, we close with blue color. Okay, now we have 2 blue stitches, 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. I know it's a little bit annoying, but that's how it is. And now we have 2 blue stitches and 3 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. Okay, so now we have 1 blue stitch, 3 white stitches, 1 blue stitch, 1, and of course we close with a white, 3 white stitches, 1, 2, 3, we close with a blue. So we finish this, and now we have 2 blue stitches, 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. Okay, so now we have 2 blue stitches, 3 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. So now we finish 3 white stitches here, and now we have 2 blue stitches, 2 white stitches. Okay, 1, and so now we did this one, and now we have 2 blue stitches, 3 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. Now we have 1 blue stitch, 3 white stitches, 1 blue stitch, okay, and now we have 2 blue stitches, 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches, and the last one is 2 blue stitches, 2 blue stitches, 1 and 2, and we're going to close with a white color, of course. Okay, and next is 11 white stitches until the end. So I will meet you when we start this row over here. Okay, so now we are here at this line here. So now we have 8 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. Okay, so here I already did 1 and 7 more to go, so we have 2, okay, 8, and of course we close with a blue color, and we have 2 blue stitches. Okay, 1 and 2, we close with a white color, of course. Okay, so we are here. Now we did this one. Now we have 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches, 1, so now we did here, and now we have 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. Okay, after we finish this one, now we have 5 white stitches, 2 blue stitches, 5 white stitches, 1 and 5, close with a blue color, and now we have 2 blue stitches, 1 and 2, and we close with a white color, of course. Okay, okay, and now we have 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches, 1. Okay, so now we have 2 white stitches, 1 blue stitch, 2 white stitches, so we have 1 Next is 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches, 2 white stitches. Okay, so we finished here. Now we have 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. Let's go. 2 white stitches with a white color. And now we have 5 white stitches, 5 white stitches, 1, and we close with the blue color, of course. Okay, so now we are here. If you see from here is, so the rest is just another 8 white stitches, and then we just do all the back. Okay, so I will see you here. Okay, so I have finished all the back, and now we are going to start this row over here, which is 9 white stitches, and then we have 2 blue stitches. Okay, so I will get the white line and take out the sign and do 9 from the sign. I will do 9 white stitches. Let me put this one back. So this is number 1. Okay, so now we are here. So now next is 2 white stitches, 2 blue, white, 2. Okay, so next one is again 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. Okay, so now then we have 3 white stitches, 2 blue stitches, 3 white stitches, 1. Okay, now again we have 2 white stitches, 3 blue stitches. So we are here. Next one is 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. Next here, so the next one is just going to be 9 white stitches, and then we can just go around, and then we will start here. Okay, so I have finished and the back, and now we can start again our pattern. Okay, so next one is going to be 10 white stitches. Okay, so let's take out the sign. 10 white stitches, 1, and let's put the sign back because we will need this one, and 1, 2, and 10, and of course I will change color here. I will close with the blue. Okay, so next is going to be a lot of 2s here. Okay, so next one is going to be 2 blue stitches, 2 white stitches. Okay, so next 2 blue, 2 white, 2 blue again. So, and now here we have 1 white, okay, and 2 blue. So 1 white, 1, and close with a blue, and 2 blue stitches, 1 and 2, close with the white. Okay, here, and we have 2 white, 2 blue, 2 white, 2 blue. Okay, so what we did, 2 white, 2 blue, 2 white, 2 blue, right? Okay, so the next one is 1 white, 2 blue, 1 white, and we close with a blue one, and 2 blue, 2 blue here, 1 and 2, close with white. Okay, so now we are here, and we have 2 white, 2 blue, 2 white, 2 blue. Okay, do this one, and now we are here. So now we have 1 white, 2 blue, 1 white. Okay, so after this we have again 2 white, 2 blue, 2 white, 2 blue. Okay, so let's do another 2 sets of this. Okay, so we did this one, and so now we are here, and here we have 1 white, 2 blue. Okay, 1 white, okay, now we are here. So then we have 2 white, 2 blue, 2 white, 2 blue. Okay, let's do another 2 sets. So next one is going to be 1 white, 2 blue. So 1 white, 1, and next one is going to be 2 white, 2 blue, 2 white, 2 blue. Okay, this is easy to remember, right? 1, and the next one is just going to be another 10 white stitches. Okay, so I will just do 10 white stitches. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so, and I will go on, and then at the back, and then I will meet you again here. Okay, so to the next one. So until then, let's see what we have done. So this is our work, what we have done until now. Okay, so pretty good, right? Looks nice, I think, or no? Okay, so I will see you at the next one over here.